Hello, welcome to another Electric World video featuring the latest news about EV world. This time, we will be discussing hot updates on Tesla and its Gigafactories. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon. It helps you get notified when we post more content just like this. American electric vehicle and clean energy company Tesla has begun to occupy the world's fourth largest car market. Japan is the world's fourth largest auto market after China, United States, and India, and Tesla has had a difficult time selling cars there in the past. Many parking systems in Japan require cars of a certain size to fit into movable parking spaces that help with the country's limited space. The Model S and X are too large for many of these structures, so the Model 3 fixed this by being a perfect size, but due to shipping from California, costs were high. However, Tesla delivered 1,300% more vehicles in March 2021 than in the same month of the previous year. 44 units in March 2020 versus 588 in March 2021. This was due to multiple factors, the most significant of which was the Gigafactory Shanghai. This is the Tesla factory in China, where the Model 3 and Y are produced. The majority of these cars are sold in China, but others are shipped to Europe, Australia, and Japan. Tesla reduced the price of the Model 3 in Japan earlier this month due to lower delivery costs. The price of the Model 3 in the standard range has been reduced by 17%, whereas the long-range version has been reduced by 25%. In Japan, there is reportedly a backlog of Model 3 orders. Japan's EV subsidies are another factor. This year's subsidies have been boosted, allowing drivers to save still more money while purchasing electric cars. The next big news about Tesla is about Model 2 and the new EV range. Tesla seems to be taking another step towards its anticipated Model 2 electric hatchback, which the techno king of Tesla, Elon Musk, first revealed at the company's Battery Day in 2020, and perhaps a whole range of new EV designs. The electric vehicle manufacturer has launched a new page to its Chinese website, encouraging people to apply for a job that is sure to be a highly coveted position, design chief for the upcoming Tesla China Design Center. The automaker wrote in the job description, "As a leader at Tesla's China Design Studio, you will be responsible for leading the design development of Tesla vehicles. You will be part of the team that creates and executes world-class vehicles in terms of form, function, and luxury." Tesla currently offers 4 production vehicles: the Model 3, Model Y, not yet available in Australia, Model X, and Model S. It also plans to produce an electric utility vehicle, the Cybertruck, at its future EV and battery factory in Texas. Tesla is expected to launch another electric vehicle in late 2021, a compact electric hatchback called the Model 2 that will cost $25,000 US, approximately $32,700 converted, which Tesla China chief Tom Zhu hinted at recently. It is expected to sell it at first in Asia, where small city-style cars are common. Take, for example, the tiny and super cheap Wuling Mini EV, which beat Tesla in China's EV sales in February. Another big news is that Tesla sales increased 80% in Germany ahead of the Berlin factory boost. According to new estimates released by the Federal Motor Transport Authority, Tesla revenues in Germany increased by more than 80% in the first quarter of 2021 compared to the same period of 2020. Germany is finally establishing itself as a leader in the transition to electromobility. EV sales in Germany are improving in the European market, which has seen almost 750,000 EVs sold in the last 12 months. Even though it is still well behind Norway, which is now the world leader by share with more than half of all car sales in March being all electric. Volkswagen is responsible for a large portion of Germany's EV revenue with its recent 5-door, 5-seat hatchback, the ID.3, leading year-to-date sales at 10,000 units in February. However, Tesla, which will begin producing electric cars at its soon-to-be-completed Berlin Gigafactory in July, is not far behind, having risen to second place in February by delivering over 6,000 new vehicles to their owners by the end of March. Tesla began shipping its mass-market Model 3 from California to Germany and the rest of Europe in early 2019, but has since returned to sourcing the Model 3 from its Shanghai factory. And it seems to be paying off given the jump in sales, showing that German drivers are satisfied with the build quality coming out of Shanghai, although they will soon be producing Tesla cars in Berlin. More specifically, the Berlin Gigafactory will concentrate on the Model Y electric crossover, which it expects to produce at a rate of 500,000 units per year until it reaches maximum capacity using 8 massive Gigapress casting machines. It is now available for order in Germany, unlike Australia, starting at €59,600, but Tesla does not register a sale until the vehicle is delivered. As drivers who have already placed orders for a locally made Tesla electric crossover SUV begin to receive their cars, the impressive 80% increase from 2020 could grow even further. But there is some problem with Giga Berlin. Bloomberg announced Thursday that Tesla blasted the lengthy process in a letter to a Berlin regional court. According to the report, Tesla said it's irritating that it hasn't been granted a deadline for final approval 16 months after applying. Tesla broke ground on the factory in June 2020, with hopes to begin production in July 2021. The plant has been constructed with provisional approvals rather than full permission. The local government agrees not to give Tesla final permission for any reason, an unlikely scenario given the official backing Tesla has received in Germany thus far. The car maker would be on the hook for demolishing the plant. Tesla criticized officials in its letter for hampering development in renewable energy and climate-friendly infrastructure. Tesla is currently the leader in electric vehicle production in a global auto market, but the market is still overwhelmingly dominated by combustion engine cars. Tesla said in the letter, "This discourages necessary investments in clean energy projects and infrastructure and makes it practically impossible for Germany to achieve its climate goals." Construction at Gigafactory Berlin has come under a lot of criticism since it started in 2020. According to a German media report in December, Tesla had to halt construction after missing a deadline to make a €100 million security deposit. Giga Berlin is very important for Tesla's European strategy because Tesla plans to produce 500,000 electric vehicles annually there. The increased capacity would be a big help as Tesla tries to keep up with extremely powerful EV competitors, the most dangerous of which is commonly thought to be Volkswagen of Germany. That was all for today, and the latest news we knew about Tesla's success. And thanks for watching the video. If you want to continue to learn everything regarding Tesla's next projects and Elon Musk or electric vehicles, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. And don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our Electric World channel for daily content just like this.